Hello, and thanks for taking a look at JobBOSS, the complete and flexible shop management software. JobBOSS keeps you in control every step of the way on every job, every day from quote to cash and everything in between. Materials management, costing, order processing, shop floor control, shipping, you name it. For over 3 decades, we've been on a mission to provide the best, most flexible, most relied upon manufacturing ERP software on the market. So, if you're ready and want to find out how your business can benefit like thousands of others, let's talk shop. First of all, JobBOSS makes it easy and fast to put together accurate quotes, so your customers know how much they're going to pay, and you know you're going to be profitable. Simply input the fields you want to include, and JobBOSS automatically calculates the unit price, total cost, and total hours. Then lets you track the status of each quote, and you can easily see when it's time to follow up. It's just as easy to enter a new order. Simply copy the data across from an existing quote, or directly enter a job from scratch. Price, delivery, routing, every step is clearly displayed in a streamlined, easy-to-use interface. JobBOSS then generates the traveler, a document that details specific instructions and accompanies the job to your shop floor, so everyone understands exactly how you plan to make the part. The built-in scheduling tool then helps your shop floor to keep running smoothly. A graphical, easy-to-understand overview lets you see how your scheduling fits in with activity on the shop floor, showing you at a glance any areas on your floor that are overloaded, those working below capacity, and those that are just right, helping you to optimize efficiency. And if you need to change things for any reason, you can zoom in on any information and simply drag and drop to move things around. JobBOSS also delivers full control over all your raw materials, hardware, supplies, miscellaneous purchases, and third-party services. So once you enter a job, you'll see straight away if you have enough of the right materials in stock. If not, JobBOSS will take account of lead times to ensure you schedule accordingly. The Purchases dashboard helps you see all of those features. All material purchases, outside services, and shortages are easily seen by your purchasing manager. When it comes to labor, barcodes let your employees scan in and out of their jobs for fast and efficient timekeeping. But if you prefer to enter time manually instead, no worries. If you want your employees to log in and out of jobs, you can assign appropriate permissions to that employee and be able to allow them to start and stop jobs as well as clock in and clock out for the day. As true end-to-end manufacturing ERP software, JobBOSS also provides the shipping capabilities that help you deliver on time, every time. It allows you to prepare delivery schedules, prepare and print packing lists at the shipping dock as soon as you're ready to ship parts, prepare bills of lading and labels, and then track deliveries. You can check out your shipment history to keep an eye on your delivery performance and make sure you're hitting your targets. Finally, costing reports make it easy to compare estimates against actuals to see whether or not you're turning over a profit. Then, once complete, an overall costing summary details every aspect of each job. A wide range of time-saving, efficiency-boosting tools keeps you on track and in control at all times. Dashboards give you the big picture so everyone knows what's happening in all areas of the shop. Shop View provides you a snapshot of your sales orders, jobs, and item activities. And Shop Stats is another highly useful feature, displaying the status of your overall business at any given moment. So that's JobBOSS, a true end-to-end manufacturing shop management solution that effortlessly keeps you in control every step of the way and makes sure you stay the boss of every job. See how it can do all this in more detail by scheduling a pressure-free, one-on-one personalised demo.